Welcome to Unit 9.3. In this unit, you're going to learn, instead of just copy and paste, you're going to learn how to paste special and all its functions. Let's start with formulas. Over here I've got a sum, and let's say we want to copy and paste the answers somewhere. I cannot just copy and paste because what it's doing is it's just copying the formulas and now it's referring to the wrong range. So what you actually want to do is just copy and paste the values only, in other words the answers. So copy and right click. You could use values there. Alternatively, you could go paste special and you could just paste as a value there. And there you'll see there's no formula there. It has just kept the answer there. Let's have a look. If I want to link this maybe to another sheet, I can highlight and say copy, go to another sheet, but I want to keep that link there, so if something changes on that sheet, it changes here as well. Right click, paste special, and over here I'm going to paste link it. Okay, and if you click here, you'll see there's actually a link to the basic charting sheet in F2, basic charting F3. So if I made a change here, you will see it will adjust over there as well. So that's how you copy and paste as a value. Now sometimes you want to copy and you want to paste with the formatting. Okay, that will just copy the formatting. Let's do that again. You can use the shortcuts here. That's your normal paste, which will paste both. That will paste your values. That will paste the actual formula. And over here will be your formatting like we've just done, and that would be your paste link. So if you want both, you just do a normal paste. It will do both the formatting and the formulas. Now sometimes you might find, especially with a big data set, it could be the wrong way around. And it's not a database that you're able to do a pivot report on. And because there are thousands of lines, you cannot possibly retype it. So often the solution is to transpose it, which means turn it the other way around. So I'm going to click on copy, click in another cell, and over here you'll see transpose. You could also say paste special, and you could transpose here as well. And what that does is it turns the columns into rows and the rows into columns, and you'll see even the formulas are correct. It turned that as well. A very, very handy function, that transpose, particularly with big data sets. The next thing I want to show you is, for example, if I wanted to escalate all these numbers by 10%, in other words, inflation, how would I do that without a formula? So I'm going to highlight. I've put my increase in here. You might ask me why I didn't put 0.10 and for 10% and instead put 1.10. I'll show you now. I'm going to click on that percent, right click on it and copy, highlight all the numbers I'd like to increase. I'm not highlighting the total because it will add. Paste special and choose multiply. And here it is just doing the 10% amount. It's not adding it back to the original amount. And that is the reason why I've put 1.10, so that it does add it to the original amount. So let's do that again. Copy, select your numbers, right click, paste special and multiply. And you'll see there it added R1.80 onto that figure. Let's say, for example, I wanted to minus, or let's say divide by 2. Let's highlight all the numbers, not highlight the numbers, copy the 2, then highlight the numbers, paste special, and I'm going to choose divide this time. And it will divide all those numbers in half. Remember, this is not a formula, it adjusts the number accordingly.